Eddie and I played hockey our entire lives, and you know, the hockey community is very, very small. I know Kevin's a huge fan of hockey and sports and everything like that, so we've got a little surprise for him.
Boys said we're coming here. Hopefully I still got some touch left. We'll see here.
Matt Moulson, it's in the net. Right on, Moulson scores! In front now, another shot, Moulson, he scored!
There he is!
Oh, what's up, man? What's the word,
doing?
bro?
How are you?
How are you, man?
Tinfoil hat is on.
I love it, man. I love it, dude.
I heard he got some challenges to do today.
Man, I haven't played any sort of hockey in my entire life, other than what? I don't know, roller hockey here and there as a kid on rollerblades.
In the net.
You better be careful. I don't know where this thing's going, bro. Oh, it's terrible.
Get yourself a good lie there.
What's that?
Get a good lie.
I don't even know what that means.
Oh!
Come on,
Oh, you had it.
man.
I don't know. Nope. Oh!
Come on!
Easy. I told you, you want to get your groove. You should have shot a couple in a row. Post it
Damn
in.
it.
Post it in.
We're gonna go clapper.
All right. I think that might be a.
Probably not a good idea.
No, it might be a good idea. If you hit the camera, it'll be even funnier. Joey, put your hand down a little lower. Yeah, there you go. Oh! That was fun. That was fun. Tough conditions here. We got concrete.
Right?
We got snow out here.
When he took the jacket off, I was like, all right, tough hockey guy. He's not cold. But I see him rubbing his hand. He's getting a little cold,
Oh, I'm
too.
chilly.
I thought the Canadian
I feel like
you know.
I'm cheating here. I'm like Brady against drama. I got a custom stick. He's got no custom stick.
Look what they got me working with. This is definitely the problem. Is the stick, you know.
All right, he can go small net. I'll go far net. All right, coming hot.
Oh, 1 for 1.
No, you got this one.
Yep.
Yep.
Let's go.
Far down.
1 for 1.
Oh no! Oh, there goes
Knifed it.
Gunner. Right through.
Knifed it.
Gunner.
That's a great shot, though.
Oh no! Yep. Oh, heads up! You.
Wow, that was awesome.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh!
baby, let's
He
go.
ripped that one home.
Let's go.
He ripped that one home.
Oh, post.
Oh, too much steam. No. Oh.
Another one. Doink. Heidelberg is going to just be so disappointed in me, bro.
Yep. Oh!
Yeah, let's go. Is that 3 for you, boy?
Yep. Winner.
Did I win?
Yeah. Beat me on that one. Accuracy shooting. Good. I want to hit you. Yeah. No, he's going that way. All right. Oh, jeez. Yep. Yeah!
Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Oh, what a shot.
Strong enough to break it, but still, let's go! Sniped it. Woo!
This thing is just popping. Yep. Oh. I think I changed my square here. Taking off. If you hit that small one on the right, I'll be impressed.
Nah, I don't know if that. All right, I'll try for it.
Oh! Oh! I thought he had it. Oh, all right.
Oh, that was terrible.
Oh, that camera almost took it.
You weren't worried
Camera
about
almost
it.
took it. Oh. I'm going for breakage here.
Yeah.
I gotta put some steam on it. Ooh.
Come on, man. Oh, sniped it. Oh.
Oh,
Gotta-
camera
I'm gonna
again.
get that-
That's a tie.
So I bought this house like last year. I walked the property, didn't see anything. The next day, my dad is like, you know, cleaning some shit up. He goes, "You got your first squatter on the property." And I was like, "What are you talking about?" He goes, "The weird little statue in the back." I go, what are you talking about? And it's this creepy little boy with like, it's got like human hair and like a weird rugby sweater on. I don't know what it is, dude. I was like, I'm not touching that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I came out here one night, it was thunder and lightning and raining, and I was like, this is terrifying.
What's he made of?
Don't touch it, you crazy, man!
What's he made out of? This is good juju.
Well, that's what I
See,
said.
he
I was
wants
like,
to dance.
people were like, you gotta get this thing out of your pocket. I said, I'm not moving this. What if, you know?
What if he's a protector?
That's what I'm saying. All right, let's see if you can use your brain, bro.
Oh, jeez.
You play this with the kids much or what?
No, I haven't played this in a long time. It's gonna be defense.
Yeah.
Defense.
You got me. That was so dumb. That was so stupid. Run it back. You gotta at least give me a rematch.
Yeah, I'll rematch it. Oh, I'd like him to put one on for me. See, it's good juju, and I touched him before.
All right, maybe that's the good luck. Oh my God, I wasn't even looking, bro. That was really bad, bro.
I was pretty good back in 5th grade.
How'd you link up with the Gunner boys? They're sponsoring your team?
Yeah, they've been awesome. Eddie's wife is good friends with my sister-in-law, Jacqueline Quick, and kind of got in touch with Eddie, obviously hanging out with him and Andrew, and they've been unbelievable helping out a lot of kids on our team, helping our team out with some sponsorship stuff, so it's been a lot of fun.
I think you take it, man.
All right, that was fun.
Came to my own house and just smoked me, man.
Hey, how'd you guys do?
My man took it home.
Congratulations!
Some free Whitney for the boy.
Birdie juice for the summer. Look at that. Or am I giving this up?
Yeah, we're gonna right now.
You get to keep it?
Yeah.
Oh, you get to keep it. Look at that.
Bucket too.
All right.
Let's go, man.
We got some work to do on the roof. We're gonna get out of here.
They're right above us right now as they're working on it. We can't even hear a thing. They've been here all week, haven't really even bothered me. The Gunner guys have just been absolutely stellar.
I might saddle up for a nap after this one. I'm not gonna lie.